enough. I got a little bit more. Okay, you can just keep on doing that. It's not. You can have a break or keep on doing it. Because I cannot have a break. Would you like a break? Yeah, I'll try and make it with you. No, it's okay. You can have a break. I know how to make it. I've been watching. I got quite a lot this time. We're done. No, not. A bit faster. Oh, great. Hopefully that will be enough. I don't think so. I'm trying to make this. I don't know. Go and get some more. Okay. Dad, we're boiling because we keep on making it in hard work.
You're doing a great job.